Hi and welcome to Infoods Specials, and if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I always love showing you easy and amazing recipes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies, and it's so easy and very fast. Actually, and your kids will love this, and I know even you love this recipe. So in a large bowl, you'll add half a cup of softened butter or margarine. And to this, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to use my hand mixer and beat this until creamy. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl so that everything can be well combined. Next, I'm going to crack 1 egg into my sugar and margarine. And whisk again. To this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then I'm going to mix my vanilla into my butter. This is how it's looking after 2 minutes of whisking. It's nice and fluffy. So to this, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. So I'll be using a sieve to sieve my dry ingredients. So to this, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You make sure that your salt is leveled. Then I'm going to sieve this in my bowl. So I'm going to whisk this for 1 minute or 30 seconds. Don't overmix. When you notice that the flour is well combined with the wet ingredients, you just stop. So you scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the flour is combined together with the butter. And this is how it's looking. So to this, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I'm using dark chocolate chips. So I'll fold in using my spatula so that the chocolate chips can be mixed into the batter. When you're done mixing your chocolate chips into your batter, you're going to refrigerate this for 20 minutes. The reason I'm refrigerating is because I want the dough to be chilled so that it can evenly cook once I pop it into the oven. Don't skip that part. After you're done popping your cookie dough into the refrigerator, you're going to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and also you're going to line your baking tray with parchment paper. So see you after 10 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes already and my oven is preheating. So I'm going to use my cookie scoop and scoop out the dough into my baking tray. So this is a small cookie scoop. It's about a tablespoon. So you can use the large one, you can use the small ones, whatever you have. You can use a spoon to scoop out the dough. You can use your hands also, but I wouldn't advise you to use your hands because once you touch the dough, it's going to go back into room temperature because your hands are warm. The good thing about using a cookie scoop is that you're going to get even size, even baking, and the cookies will be uniform. Yeah, that is why I'll recommend to use a cookie scoop. But if you don't have, as I've said, use a spoon. So you'll bake your cookies for 10 to 12 minutes or until you notice that the bottom is golden brown. So don't go over 12 minutes because the cookies might burn. So I'll pop this into my oven. My first round is ready. And it smells amazing. I'm going to use my cake cutter and scoop out my cookies onto a cooling rack. I'm done baking my cookies, and as you can see, there's still some more cooling on my rack. So I'm going to give one a try. You can hear that crunch. Very nice. They're not too sweet. They're very crunchy and they smell amazing. I love chocolate chip cookies. Also, you can make them for your snacks. If it's snack time, you just pick one or two and enjoy. So I hope you make yourself these chocolate chips cookies.